Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged. In this video, we are going to discuss how can you fix the missing wireframes tab in the Kadence Design Library. Now, if you have been following the development of Kadence blocks, then you must be familiar with the fact that after a recent Kadence Design Library update, all of the basically old templates were removed, including the wireframes, and its interface was completely revamped. Okay, now this led to the removal of the wireframes tab as well. Now I received a few messages regarding how can you add that wireframes tab back, so I did an article on that, but now I'm releasing a video as well. Okay, now to add this wireframes tab, what you will need is a connection URL and an access key. Now I'll leave a link to the article that we have done on this topic, and you will find that connection URL and access key in that. Okay, now another thing that you have to keep in mind here is that if you want to use the pro templates that come in the Kadence Design Library, although you get access to this feature in the free plugin as well, but in case you want to use the pro templates, then you will have to get a subscription of the Kadence Blocks Pro, or you want to buy any of the bundles. In case you want to do that, link to that is in the description box below. Any purchases helps support the channel. Okay. Now again, along with these links, you will find links to our socials as well. So feel free to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, let me start sharing the screen. And in the meantime, you make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notification bell. So here we are in the WordPress editor, and as you can see in the first tab, we have the new Kadence Design Library, which is the updated version or the latest version of the Kadence Design Library. And to see that, what we are going to do is we are going to click this Design Library button. Now remember, in case you are not seeing this Design Library button, then most likely you haven't installed Kadence blocks. So you will have to install Kadence blocks in order to access this design library. Now another thing that you will have to keep in mind here is that this feature is available in the free plugin as well. I'm not using the pro version as of now. Okay, so let's just click this Kadence Design Library, and you can see you get access to all of these sections and pages. You can see the patterns are right here and the pages are right here. Now in the second tab, we have the old version of the Kadence Design Library. And again, to see that, we are going to click this Design Library button. And you can see this looks very different from this Kadence Design Library. So this is the older version that has the sections tab and the wireframes tab, right? The sections tab we have covered in the previous video, how you can add that. And in this video, we are going to cover how you can add this wireframes tab. If you are looking to use these wireframes in your designs, then how can you add this wireframes tab in your new Kadence Design Library? You can see it is missing from right here. How you can do that, right? So we'll be adding this wireframes tab in the new Kadence Design Library. Now to do this, what you are going to do is you're going to click this plus icon right on top. That is the Cloud Connect icon, right? When you will click this icon, what it is going to do is it will ask you for a connection URL and a connection access key. Okay, for this, what you will have to do is you will have to visit this blog post that we have created right here. Okay, I'll leave a link to this blog post in the description box below, and here you will have to come down to the connect with Kadence wireframes cloud section, and there you will find the connection URL and the connection access key, right? You can see right here. Now I'm going to copy this connection URL from here and paste it under the connection URL in the new Kadence Design Library. In the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this connection access key, which is this one, and I'm going to paste it right here. In the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click this add connection. Now this can take a few seconds, and you can see we have added the wireframes tab. You can see it from right here, and you can see it right here. On clicking this tab, it will give you access to all of the wireframes. So now you have added this wireframes tab in the new Kadence Design Library. Now remember, in case you are looking to use any of the pro templates, then you will have to buy Kadence Blocks Pro or any of the bundles. Okay, so you will have to keep that in mind. Now, another thing that you will have to know here is that in order to use any of these templates, all you will have to do is just click these templates. Now, in case it is asking for your email address to, give you access to this wireframes, then you will have to do that. You will have to join the mailing list of Kadence, and that is what will get you access to this Kadence wireframes tab. Okay, that will give you access to all of these templates once you are done adding this tab. Okay, now in case you want to buy Kadence Blocks Pro or any of the bundles, link to it is in the description box below. In case you have any queries related to this tutorial, then feel free to comment down below or connect with me through my website. Okay, I will be happy to help you in any way, shape or form, in any capacity that I can. Okay, now if you found the video helpful, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. Now, I hope you have found this video helpful and are able to fix the missing wireframes tab issue in the Kadence Design Library. Now, if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. Now, in case you have any queries regarding this topic, then feel free to comment down below. Also, you will find the links to buy Kadence Blocks Pro or any of the bundles in the description box below. Any purchases help support the channel. Now also you will find the links to our socials, the article that we have done on this topic. You will need that article, so that is in the description box below. Feel free to follow us on other platforms as well. It helps out a lot. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.